Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. As you know, our channel is all about books. So, today's topic is the comparison between educational books and educational toys. Let's begin with a question. What is educational toys? How they are good for our children's mental growth? Are they better than books? Subscribe, like and press the bell to know more. Let's find the answer with these points. Educational toys and educational books are both designed to provide learning opportunities for children. But they differ in their format and how they engage children in learning. 1. Educational toys are physical objects that are designed to be played with while also providing learning. On the other hand, educational books are designed to teach children through reading and storytelling. 2. Format. Educational toys come in a variety of formats, such as building sets, puzzles, and board games, while educational books are typically in written or illustrated form. 3. Multi-sensory experience. Educational toys often engage multiple senses, such as sight, touch, and hearing, while educational books primarily rely on visual and auditory senses. 4. Physical activity. Educational toys often require physical activity and movement, while educational books are generally read while sitting still. 5. Hands-on learning. Educational toys provide hands-on learning experiences that allow children to experiment and learn by doing, while educational books require children to read and comprehend the information presented. 6. Learning objectives. Educational toys often focus on developing specific skills or concepts, such as spatial awareness, problem-solving, or scientific principles, while educational books cover a wide range of topics and can provide a broader understanding of a subject. 7. Social interaction. Many educational toys are designed for multiple players, encouraging social interaction and teamwork, while educational books are typically read alone or with an educator. 8. Immediate feedback. Educational toys often provide immediate feedback, allowing children to see the results of their actions in real time, while educational books may not provide feedback until the end of the book or activity. 9. Creativity and imagination. Educational toys often encourage creativity and imagination, allowing children to create their own ideas and solutions, while educational books may provide a more structured approach to learning. 10. Cost. Educational toys can be more expensive than educational books, depending on the type of toy and materials used, making books a more accessible option for many families. 11. Portability. Educational books are typically more portable and easier to take on the go, while educational toys may require more space and may not be as easy to transport. Overall, both educational toys and educational books can be valuable learning tools, and the choice between the two may depend on a variety of factors, including a child's interests, learning style, and developmental needs. Parents and educators can choose a combination of both toys and books to create a well-rounded learning experience for children. Hope you like this video. If you are interested to know more about books, click the above I button. Share this video to create more learning environment for kids. Thanks for watching.